Hi, I'm Alan Hocknell and I lead the R&D team at Callaway Golf. And I'm really proud to introduce to you our new GBB Epic drivers. They feature a lot of new technology, the most technologically advanced drivers we've ever made. So let's talk about some of the features. One you can see instantly on the sole here, these two silver holes. They actually represent the locations of two vertical bars that are inside the head. And what does that do? Well, if you look at the face here, we're trying to stiffen the head in the vertical direction. So the two titanium rods actually connect the crown and the sole, together, and that makes the head behave more stiff in that vertical direction. If the head is stiffer in this vertical direction during impact with the golf ball, then the face is actually forced to flex more. And if the face flexes more, the energy transfer to the ball is more efficient during impact, and that results in more ball speed and more distance. So we've got a brand new technology using the structure of the head, the stiffer structure of the head, to create more face flex and then more ball speed. And any time that we're creating substantially more ball speed in a driver, that's a reason to get really interested to start with. But it's not the only technology in the Epic drivers. The body of the driver is made by the combination of titanium and our triaxial carbon material. So particularly in this center section you see on the sole, a combination of the exo-cage titanium and the triaxial carbon. We're looking to make the lightest but stiffest structure that we can in the middle of the driver, and also on the crown of the driver the triaxial carbon is used in a large amount right there. And in fact about 50% of the surface area of the body is carbon material, so a very advanced structure with a combination of two very important materials. What that does is produce a very light body that allows us to have weight that we can use in very effective ways. In the standard version of the GBB Epic, we use a 17-gram weight in a slider track that gives us the ability to steer the golf ball left and right in a fitting with an average golfer. And for a lot of golfers, the primary thing that they're looking to achieve in fitting is to straighten out shot shape, and that is an additive to distance for them. So we have the ability to move weight around in that sense in the standard model. But we also have a sub-zero model, and this uses the weight available slightly differently with two screws, one in the front and the back, a heavy one and a light one, to give us a low or a very low spin rate. And at the same time as having that, we also have high MOI in both of these drivers, so they're both very forgiving. In particular in the Sub-Zero version, that's a paradigm shift in driver technology, in that it's the first low spin driver to also feature high MOI, and therefore be forgiving enough for a broader range of golfers to get the benefits of maybe slightly lower backspin and therefore distance from that. So two drivers with very similar technologies, giving people options in the fitting process to really attack the problem that they're having and get the most out of that fitting, get the most out of their own performance.